welcome back to my channel. My name is Caroline. If you're new here, welcome. And on this amazing episode, I show you how to make simple vanilla muffins. So stay tuned, subscribe, give me that like. Yes. Let's get started, guys. So here are the ingredients. We need 1 cup sugar, 2 eggs, 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1 glass of milk, a half cup of melted butter, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and a half teaspoon of salt. That's it, guys. We're gonna make our vanilla cupcakes. What you're going to do is mix it dry ingredients to the wet ingredients. So we're gonna mix the dry ingredients first. So this is our flour. We're gonna mix it with our sugar together, and then we're gonna mix our baking powder, 2 teaspoons, and then we're gonna put a half a teaspoon of salt. We're gonna mix it the dry. Gonna mix that thoroughly. And then we're gonna do the wet. So you have the melted butter. I'm gonna put 2 eggs. And then I'm gonna put our vanilla extract. Then you're gonna whisk this together. Now transfer this to a bigger container so that it's easier to mix. And then, so after mixing our wet ingredients, we're gonna put our milk. And we're gonna mix it. Mix it together. You make sure it's really mixed, like it's well done. So we're gonna do the wet. We're gonna fold this in here. So make sure your mixture is well done. On to our last step. We're gonna mix our wet into the dry. So you're going to use a wooden spoon to fold in. So slowly you're gonna put it and keep folding in until the mix. I'm gonna show you slowly by slowly. Yeah, slowly. So you have to fold in the mixture like this. Fold in. And you use a wooden spoon like that. The first thing we're going to do is preheat our oven at 180 degrees. So here is 180, and then yes, so for let's say 30 minutes, because we're going to cook for 20 minutes. So you have something like this eventually. Look, like this. Make sure you use a spoon. So this is what we put in our tins, like this one. So what you're going to do is put this butter here, spoonfuls. So what you do is you grease this with some butter inside. Just grease it. But if you have the paper cups, you can do the paper cups. But for now, I'll just grease, and then it's coming out so nice. Yes. So we grease this. You'll have something like this eventually. So I have greased my pan. Look at that, the muffin tin. So I'm gonna put 1 teaspoon on each, like that. Make sure it's like 3/4 full, so that they are not too full. I've already put them in the tin, muffin tin. Look at that. So I'm gonna put this in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes, and they are good to go. 20 to 20 minutes. I'm gonna put them there for 20 minutes. Look at that. Look at that. So guys, our 20 minutes are over. We're gonna check how our muffins are. So you don't have to buy out there, you can make them at home, and they're so delicious. I can't wait to see. Let's see. Oh, I'm gonna open. Oh wow, look at this. Oh, look at this. So golden. Look at that. It looks amazing. Wow. It looks so good. Your cupcakes are done. Your muffins are done. So we're gonna let it rest for 5 minutes. But you can see it's already coming out of the container. So we're gonna put the next batch. Here we are. Look at these. Don't they look amazing? Don't they look amazing? So anyway guys, that's all I had for you. I hope you've enjoyed my episode making these delicious vanilla muffins. So if you're not subscribed, subscribe, give me that like, and I really enjoy it. So that's it from me guys. So bye bye. See you next time.